Welcome to Deep Learn Hub, where we make it easy for you to check the availability of your YouTube and social media names and create your own YouTube channel. In this tutorial, we'll guide you through the process step by step. Checking social media name availability. First, open your web browser and go to Google. In the Google search bar, type social media name checker and hit enter. Click on a suitable website that offers a social media name availability checker. You can paste the link to this website in the video description for reference. Once on the name checker website, enter the social media name you have in mind into the provided field. Click the Check Now button. The website will display a list of social media platforms with check marks next to the names that are available. Use this information to choose a name that's available across multiple platforms. If your desired name is not available, try different variations until you find one that is. Creating your YouTube channel. To create a YouTube channel, you'll need a Gmail account. If you already have one, sign in. If not, sign up for a new Gmail account. Once you're signed in, look to the upper right-hand corner of your Gmail inbox for the profile icon. Select YouTube. You'll be redirected to YouTube. Click on the Create Channel option. A new window will appear where you can enter your channel name. This name will also determine your YouTube channel URL. Click the Create Channel button to confirm and create your channel. Customizing your YouTube channel. With your channel created, you can now upload your logo, images, and customize your channel further to your liking. Right-click on your channel name and select YouTube Studio. In the YouTube Studio, click on the Settings option. Select the Channel option from the menu on the left. Under Feature Eligibility, choose the Intermediate Features option. To complete this step, you'll need to verify your phone number. Click Verify Phone Number. A new window will appear. Enter your phone number and click the Get Code button. You'll receive a verification code on your phone. Enter the verification code in the provided field and click Submit. Congratulations! Your phone number is now verified, and your YouTube channel is ready for action. That's it. You've successfully checked the availability of your social media names and created your own YouTube channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Deep Learn Hub for more helpful tutorials and tips. Happy content creating!